Today I'm doing an unboxing video featuring the products that you would receive in the Handmade Holiday Workshop from Hero Arts. This is a virtual event being held on October 18th, and the teachers are myself, Nicole Spohr, Charlene Madrid, Shannon Pelletier, and Jennifer McGuire. So when you sign up, not only are you going to get this box of goodies, but you're going to have 5 classes from all of these instructors. And if you aren't able to make it on October 18th, it will be available for replay. So let's jump into the box. Now, here's a look at the box. It is a beautifully designed box. This could actually be used as home decor, or I'm thinking if you cut that piece out the top cover, you could actually frame that and put that up. I think it's beautiful. Now, everything in here is also beautifully packaged, and I'm going to go through everything that we have here in the box. So, starting with your booklet, you're going to get your instructions. It is a color printed booklet. So, you'll have that. I'm not going to show you the inside, that's going to be saved for class, but you do get full color instructions and pictures. You're also going to get this 4-pack of mini ink cubes in cotton candy, cherry, paradise, I believe that is, and then pine. I do also recommend just having for class a black ink pad that is alcohol marker friendly safe. You're getting a white pigment ink pad in a mini ink cube, and then an iridescent shimmer spray, which is absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't tried it yet, this is the perfect time to try it. There is that cute little handmade holiday sticker that you're getting. I love getting stickers in these boxes. And then you're getting some cardstock and a piece of vellum. This is the Color Wheel cardstock from Spellbinders. It is a gorgeous arrangement of color. I love this color palette. You're getting lots of color and cardstock to play with. I think I'm going to go with this for my theme this year for my Christmas cards because it is a beautifully curated pack of cardstock. Then there's also going to be some stamp and die sets. So starting with this first one, I don't remember the names of the exact stamp sets, but they're really fun and cute. They have coordinating dies with them. And a lot of the dies do have the die to cut out the sentiment and the images. And so notice the retro vibe that we have going on here. So you may have caught that with the box or the booklet, but then now these stamp sets are pulling that all together for you. This one has a record player stamp set. It's got the little doodads for the record player, a little string of lights, again, a coordinating die to die cut out those images and sentiments. And then we have the dies. So here we have a cool Yule. This is a pretty good size. If you look at the front of the example, that's what it would look like or how much room you'd have on an A2 size card front. It is the scripty word and then also a thin shadow layer. Then we have a record die. This thing is a really good size. It takes up an entire card front and it creates kind of that angled piece of a record. Again, really going with that fun vintage vibe. Then we have a pocket for you to create where you can also stick a record in there. So you're getting the die to create the record and the label. But also keep in mind with this, think outside of Christmas. This is a really great pocket to just put gift cards in or little notes. And then these stamp sets coordinate with that record. So all of these would fit on the front of your record. We have side A, side B. I mean, come on, that's so fun to be able to do that. And then just some really great kind of scripty sentiments. And then we have this stencil that coordinates with that large record. So you can stencil in like the top and bottom portion on your label. And then there is this one, I think it's called Twinkle. Color layering twinkle. It's a 3-piece layering stencil to create that really fun design. Now, if you're watching this video at the time that or within the time frame that it's going up, there are still some kits available, but they are going fast. So if you're interested in this, go ahead, head over to the link I am posting down in the video description. That's going to get you more information about what's included in the kit, how everything is going to work, and also you can pick up your kit. Now, again, this is through Hero Arts and it is going to be held on October 18th. So I hope you'll be joining me and the other amazing instructors that are going to be teaching you these classes. We are going to have so much fun. Thank you, everyone, for spending time with me today, and I hope I'll see you on October 18th, 2025. See you, friends.